Lakas ng baby ko ha. Good job. Good job. Okay. You can do it. Ayun ng anak ko. Ang sipag ah. Okay. You wash daddy's vegetable. Sige na, you wash na. Put it here. Come on, come this way. Come this way. Put it in the fridge. Okay, come here. Put it here. Put inside. You go like this. Put it here. There you go. Good job, honey. Okay, good. So you close the fridge. Oh, you put it there. Good.